Alright guys, now we're heading to church Sunday. Hope you guys are good and blessed Sunday.
What is up guys? We just got done from church and now say hi to everyone.
What's up, brother?
Oh, can you give Osi'S some milk?
Already.
Have you? Put the milk down now.
Hello, everybody.
What the heck is that? He jumped. I filmed the cockroach again and not his reaction.
Lord, my time I điều và ai cho yêu tiêu cha nghĩ bên bạn nó chúa you matter of feet
I can't hold it straight.
woman touch woman move Mama bunia marana tutu Mana tua Boa
Make way.
Boa
Well, that time you knew there's not much to lose, but you need.
Hey guys, so we have only just picked up the camera all day. We have not vlogged. So after church we went over to Mum's and we took lunch over to Mum's and had lunch there. So then when Siaosi and I came back, we had a short nap and we've been up for like an hour and a half now. And we want to go to the movies because we want to go on a special date. But Osi'S doesn't want to take me.
Let's go. I want to.
Since we've moved into this house, we've had we're still waiting for our internet to be connected. So Siaosi and I have used up so much data. Like together we've probably used we've probably gone through 15 gigs of data on our phones. It's just ridiculous and expensive. And we just can't wait till our internet gets connected. Guys, we did not end up going, oh girl, look at nice. I'm loving this light. Oh, I am loving this lighting right now. We did not end up going to the movies because, why?
Because we are so tired.
No, that's not the reason.
Because we're watching Thor. Yeah, Thor's movie.
We're watching Thor at the moment, so I was like, well, there's really no point because we were really getting into Thor's movie that's on TV right now. And we saw 1 and 2, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 1 and 2. And you guys probably noticed that Siaosi works for Adidas. He sponsors and promotes Adidas.
Yeah, that's why I always wear Adidas because I promote
Adidas.
Yeah, guys.
Or we can be American and say Adidas. I'm pretty sure the New Zealanders try to say that as well. We do that.
In Samoa, Adidas.
It's what in Samoa?
Adidas. But
Akika. It's called Akika in Samoa. Akika.
yeah, I support Adidas here in Australia. That's why I promote all these t-shirts and pants. Look, I'm wearing pants too.
Everyone wears pants, honey.
Yeah. Adidas. You see his name? Adidas? Yeah.
Yeah, so thank you so much. Stop tickling me. Thank you so much to Adidas for sponsoring this video for Siaosi.
Yeah. Now we're here at the park. Look. Woo! Enjoy the evening. We just finished work and come straight to the park. Look how beautiful the park is.
We came to the park to have a little sausage sizzle. Siaosi's over there cooking it with Mum. And we've got little Edsta here. Hi Eddie! Hi Eddie! Hi Eddie Reddy! And it's just so beautiful, this park. It's just so nice. Hey Os Malos! Osi Malosi! Ooh! Hi Big Man! Say hi! Hello!
Mama.
You want a peanut? Peanut?
Oh.
Go ahead, grab it. Thank you. Good morning guys, it is Saturday and I know we have not vlogged in a while, and to be honest, not that we haven't wanted to, but because you guys know that I'm using a very old laptop. I've been looking at laptops all week, like max top range, but at the moment I'm like almost 4,000 for a laptop. I just cannot justify it, especially when, you know, there are so many other things that we need, and that's a lot of money. So just to buy one thing, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. But we're having breakfast right now and there is so much rain. I don't know if you can see that, but it's been raining for ages. It's like off and on. And Siaosi and I had planned to weed. We were gonna garden today, do the gardening today. But obviously we can't do that anymore because it's raining and we're not trying to get sick. No, on the other side where the rocks are. We're having bacon and eggs, and I'm about to go get some, well, let's go get it. And I'm gonna get some greens. To put on my meal. So I also got these apricots and these fruits. Loving our fruit bowl. These apricots are so yummy. Let's try one together. Oh, here's another thing, update. I also bought a wall clock over there. So at the moment it looks everywhere, but it's gonna go right there, but it's in progress.
Keep it up, boys, and play hard, play smart. Now, just back from the mall, doing the shop. Yeah, this is our shop for today. And now we here at home, listen to the song and enjoy the weather. Yeah, it's raining.
The boys are putting on visa.
This your boy connected to the light one. I'm in middle. Yeah. Woo! Vengono puro, coglielo puro. Oh my god, what are you doing? Oh my god.
Yeah, boy. It's the bit.
Hey,
On some of the things that you may have missed, why we weren't vlogging.
Yeah.
And to be honest, Siaosi's gonna buy me a laptop for Christmas and my birthday.
Yeah.
So you better do a lot of overtime, honey.
Yeah.
Because I want the top of range Mac, which is about $3,000.
$3,000. Yeah.
Main reason why we haven't been vlogging is because my laptop is like kind of a little bit broken. My laptop is too slow and I'm just so unmotivated to edit when it's like that, and it's just really annoying because it's a lot of work. And Siaosi just complains like, I've been doing a vlog, take a vlog up, and I'm like, because he doesn't ever do anything. Also, I wanted to share something really funny. The other day I found my report from school. I was probably like in year 1 or kindergarten, and the teacher thought it necessary to tell my parents that I was a dibber-dobber. And the context of the report was like, don't be such a dibber-dobber girl. And a lot of my friends used to call me teacher's pet because I would always do right by the teacher. And when I read that, looking back now, I'm like, woman, I was helping you do your dang job. Don't call me a dibber-dobber. How dare you? How dare you tell my mum and dad that I was a dibber-dobber when I was helping you do your job and for free? Okay, I was just being a good Samaritan, a good citizen of my primary school, and you put that in my report card because why? Now I can't remember her name, but if I remembered it, I would have shamed you right now. What do you have to say?
I say, because I want to say. We at the camper. Coming for lunch. Everyone, we are at the campus cafe. Waiting for the food to come. And yeah. I'm just look up to the table and the food and stuff. Yeah, you was so hard. Yeah, you was so hard.
So we have not vlogged all day today. We went to Canberra, the Star Buffet, all you can eat. And we didn't vlog much of there because we only had 20 minutes to eat. Isn't that right, honey? So right now I'm making a roast, I think lamb roast, and watching TV. I'm trying to get a vlog edited, but as I said, like, it's just so much trouble with this laptop. I'm just editing the vlog and I'm finding it so hard to edit because of this laptop. I'm just gonna keep saying it. Kalau foot drongan. Did you get scared, honey? You did. I saw you going. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. You got scared. Hello, little Harry. Mom, come open this drawer. We've got some new things in there. Come on. Come on. my biscuits for? Malo also. Come and open the drawer. Hello. How are you? Mai. Are you going Africa? You going Zambia? Are you going Zambia soon? Are you going Zambia soon? Next week? Next week? Next week? Mum, come and open this drawer. Seriously. Just open it. Nothing. I just want to show you there's a big mess there. Epen. Spider. 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 Nee. Nee. Spider. 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 Ben, are you going Zambia? No. Yes, you are. No. Yes, you are. No. Yes, you are. No. Bye. 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 Bye.